Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna be talking about a Instagram hack and how I was able to pay $80 for 600,000 impressions and over 1,000 store visits in like 3 or 4 days. And I'm gonna be going through what I did exactly and how you can also do this and get cheaper rates for your ads and basically start making money and barely pay anything for the impression. So basically what I did was go to the explore page and see what pages were on my explore page, and then from there what I did was go there and click the profile, and usually those profile only had like 1,000 followers, 14,000 followers, 30,000 followers, so barely any followers, but they did get their posts into the explore page because they know how to get engagements, and their engagement will be like 12%, 15%, because they would do something like where you comment something like, I don't know, comment a word letter by letter to win something, I don't know, in like less than 5 seconds. So it would get people to comment and also like the post, and it usually is a meme slide, so there would be like 10 or 7 pictures in one post, and like some are memes, some are like trying to get your engagements up, and then some of them are saying to follow their page or whatever. So they would include everything like that in one post, so it would get into the explore page and get like 700 comments, even though the page only has 14,000 followers, and they would get like 100,000 impressions, 50,000 impressions, because they always get it to the explore page. Now, one benefit of this was these influencers didn't really get a lot of business since they're new, they only have like 14,000 followers. So what you can do is contact them and ask them like, I paid $15 for a 14,000 follower page and I got 3 permanent ads. So what that did was, it was dirt cheap, so it cost me like $5 an ad. So what I was able to do from there is put my ad in a meme slide, so they can still do their engagement thing where they tell people to comment something or like something like that, and it would get into the explore page and get like 100,000 impressions. And of course with that, my ad also got a lot of impressions, and then I got more store visits. So this is a hack that I didn't really see anyone talking about. Now granted, this is probably used on meme pages, not in like niche specific pages, so if you want to advertise, it would probably be on a meme page, because I couldn't find a niche specific page that also does this, but I'm sure they're out there. But anyways, this is how I was able to do it. And also what I was able to do is go to a page that only has 1,000 followers, but they got a lot of impressions, because again they got into the explore page, and I only paid like $10 and I got 10 ads, literally $1 for one ad. So I was able to negotiate with him. Actually, I wasn't able to negotiate, I just contacted him, and since he only had 1,000 followers, he agreed. And now that ad is doing like every day does like 50,000 impressions, 60,000 impressions. Sometimes it doesn't do anything, like only 1,000 impressions, but that's fine because I'm only paying $1 for an ad, and as long as 1 or 2 to 60,000 impressions and get on the explore page, then that's fine. But again guys, this is a hack that I saw no one talking about, and you can really get dirt cheap price when you go to the explore page. Find people who only have like 1,000 followers, 10,000 followers, 30,000 followers, and buy in bulk. Make sure you buy in bulk so you get a cheaper price and more value. So I always buy in bulk and negotiate with them, and from there you can just and basically let them do whatever they want and put your ad on the third and fourth slide, and then from there you can send them to the link in bio, and from there the customers make a purchase, whatever. So yeah guys, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if you guys want to see another video, and leave a like. Let's try to go for 10 likes, and subscribe if you're new, and turn on notifications. I got a lot more videos planned for you guys. I'm gonna upload every other day like I am. And yeah guys,